In this video, we are going to talk about 10 best foods to control diabetes. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. If you have type 2 diabetes, it's no secret that eating a balanced diet while also controlling your blood glucose levels can be tough. Certain foods generate significant blood sugar rises, while others cause big blood sugar drops. Many people must go through years of trial and error before determining what is best for them and their bodies. Here's a list of the 10 best foods to control diabetes. Let's start. Number 10. Whole grains. Whole grains have a higher fiber and vitamin content than processed white grains, making them the healthier option. Fiber-rich foods are essential for persons with diabetes because they aid to slow down the digestion process. The delayed absorption of nutrients helps to keep blood sugar levels constant. White bread and rice have a higher glycemic index, thus whole wheat and whole grains are more satisfying, GI. As a result, they have a less effect on blood sugar levels than previously assumed. Whole grains such as brown rice, whole grain bread, whole grain pasta, buckwheat, quinoa, millet, bulgur, rye, and buckwheat flour should all be included in your diet. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is often recognized as one of the most nutrient-dense veggies on the market. Despite the fact that half a cup of cooked broccoli provides only 27 calories and 3 grams of digestible carbohydrates, it includes essential minerals including vitamin C and magnesium. According to several research, broccoli can help reduce blood sugar levels. Broccoli sprout consumption was proven to be good for diabetics, as their blood glucose levels were found to be lower. Sulforaphane, a substance found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and sprouts, is thought to lower blood glucose levels. This decrease in blood glucose levels is thought to be due to sulforaphane. Number 8. Avocados. Avocados have less than 1 gram of sugar and only a few carbohydrates, as well as a high fiber content and beneficial fats, so there's no need to worry about them rising your blood sugar levels. Avocado consumption, according to the study's findings, is linked to improved overall diet quality, as well as significantly lower body weight and BMI, among other factors, BMI. Avocados are a particularly healthy snack for diabetics due to the fact that obesity increases the risk of acquiring diabetes. According to some research, avocados may have qualities that make them particularly effective in the prevention of diabetes. Researchers have just discovered a lipid molecule present in avocados that reduces incomplete oxidation in skeletal muscle and the pancreas, lowering insulin resistance. More research is needed to establish a link between avocados and the prevention of diabetic complications. Number 7. Strawberries. A cup of strawberries is a great option to consider if you're searching for something sweet to snack on. Strawberries have a high antioxidant content and have been demonstrated to lower cholesterol and insulin levels after a meal when consumed in large quantities. If you don't like strawberries but still want to eat fruit on a regular basis, try replacing them with raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries. These fruits have less sugar than other high-sugar fruits such as apples and bananas. Number 6. Cinnamon and turmeric. Spices are powerful tools, especially when it comes to managing diabetes. In order to attain the best results, you should incorporate cinnamon and turmeric in your diet on a regular basis, and doing so is simple if you follow a few simple steps. The flavor of almost any meal or beverage will be enhanced and a little kick will be added with the addition of cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown in several trials to help lower blood sugar, boost insulin sensitivity, and lower hemoglobin A1C levels. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and anti-glycemic qualities, as well as the ability to lessen your risk of heart disease and improve renal health. To activate the beneficial component curcumin in the mixture, blend your turmeric with black pepper.
Number 5. Lemons. Diabetics are at risk of dehydration because higher than normal blood glucose depletes your body of fluids. Lemon is packed with soluble fibers, which do not break down easily and ensure slow release of sugars in the bloodstream. Soluble fibers also help keep the heart healthy by regulating cholesterol and stabilizing blood pressure. Lemons are abundantly loaded with vitamin C. Lemons are full of fiber, vitamin C, folate and potassium, which would help benefit a healthy diabetic diet.
Number 4. Natural fats. Extra virgin olive oil has long been praised for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to reduce inflammation. It contains a variety of antioxidants that assist to reduce inflammation, protect your cells, and lower blood pressure, making it one of the most beneficial oils for lowering your risk of heart disease. It also contains a lot of vitamin E. It also has a high concentration of vitamin E. To get the most health benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil that is pure and unadulterated. Drizzle it over salads, use it in marinades, or cook meats and vegetables in it to reap the most health benefits. Number 3. Seeds. According to study on the subject, certain types of seeds can effectively treat diabetes. Chia seeds and flax seeds are the two healthiest seeds you may eat on a regular basis if you have diabetes. Chia seeds are high in fiber and low in digestible carbohydrates, and when ingested in moderation, they have been shown to drastically reduce blood sugar levels. As a diabetic, this is really beneficial in terms of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. They're also advantageous since they can help you better control your blood sugar levels and lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Number 2. Leafy greens. Despite the fact that many of the most delectable leafy greens are classified as non-starchy vegetables, they require their own menu area. Leafy greens have a high concentration of nutrients and a low concentration of digestible carbs when compared to other types of vegetables. As a result, no matter how many cookies you eat, your blood glucose level will not significantly rise. Number 1. Non-starchy vegetables. While managing diabetes, non-starchy veggies are some of the most nutritious foods you can eat. These nutritious snacks will not only keep you satisfied, but they're also high in vitamins and minerals that can help you maintain a good blood sugar level. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.